So one may ask what Bumble Pete is doing. He's jumped past. Right. Bladeberry Pete has popped along to say hello. And we're off for breakfast at H Cafe. So welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. Nothing particularly fun in this video, but it's a rare occasion today. It's sunny. It's not raining, so it'd be very, very rude not to. I've done 100 miles since I last filled. So Pete's, he's a 98. His is the Urban Tiger. Was this one also the Japanese import? Yeah. Yes, posh one. Same engine. It's got a bit of a stiffer chassis, if I remember rightly. Offset yokes by something like 5mm. Updated dash, so you've got the bit of digital here. And yeah, so, apart from that, same bike. Just, you know, the tweaks they do every year. Just to note, we're going to H Cafe in Berringsfield, which is towards Oxford. And not as many people think when I say it. Ace Cafe, which is of course the famous cafe in London. Oh, this engine is singing. It's lovely. So when you get into the Krauts down here, you get a bit more, obviously gets a bit noisier because you're getting it directly on your helmet instead of your body. So I don't know how much aerodynamic capability that's giving it, but you can really kind of get down. But yeah, it's obviously coming straight up like that, so. I think the suspension could do with being a little bit firmer. I have to change the rear shock anyway, but to tell you the truth, I haven't played with the settings at all. It does tend to wallow very slightly when you tip it in. You know, not a lot. Just a little. A few bikes, not too many, so it shouldn't be a big queue for brekkie. That car there, so we'll okay, I'll go over here. It's alright here? Yeah. I was going to go there, but then I saw the car. I thought I'll get out. Oh wow. Bumble Suzuki.
Once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down.
We got breakfast. Breakfast bab's coming up. Yep. Where do you want to sit? In or out? Yeah, sit out. He's got his t-shirt on. Bumble Suzuki's.
He's Banana Man on the other one over there, on the back of his number plate. Look at the back number plate. He's got Banana Man on the back.
No way.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. I
on and ride it.
So one may ask what Bumblebee is doing. He came alongside and said, bits are falling off your bike. Basically, I'd lost these, that, and this is all flapping off. So, a couple of temporaries for now. Thank God for old school storage space. Pete, when did you see it flapping around? After
Just
the fall?
just on the run up here, to be fair. So as we were coming up the straight here.
So it wasn't flapping before? Just,
I don't know.
yeah.
I don't know because obviously I just got in front of you, didn't I? So
Yeah.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So, latest adventure is that this is now stuck in here and keep on come out. Try and take the side panel off, but oh dear.
I don't know if that's going to work now because I know you managed to tighten up the front panel.
Yeah, with a screwdriver.
With a screwdriver.
Oh, yeah, there we go. It's jumped past.
That should, yeah, that
Do you
should.
remember when it was falling back?
That.
It's like that, isn't it? And it goes in there. When it had come up, it
Yeah,
had popped over the top.
out. Yeah, anyway.
You turn that. No, yep. It was on the other side. It jumped on the
It
other
jumped
side.
over the other side because the panel was loose. So.
But I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change.
Let's get some footage of you, Pete. On the RRW. Where's my cruise control button? Can't find it. It must have fallen off.